Hey team, this is Dr. Tim from Head to Toe Spine and Sports Therapy coming at you guys with another self-care Saturday. So for this Saturday, what we're going to be talking about is knee pain, okay? With CrossFit, there's a lot of squatting type motions, and if we're kind of using our front side, kind of this anterior chain a lot more than our posterior chain, some people can start to develop knee pain kind of right down in the front of the knee over that kneecap, okay? Very common that I see in the clinic, so I'm going to show you guys a couple quick techniques to help get that knee pain to go away. All right, team, so the first lacrosse ball release that we're going to use for this knee pain is going to be targeted at the hip flexor, okay? Now you can use a double lacrosse ball or a single lacrosse ball for this, either one is fine. What we're going to do is find the bony part of the hip in the front, we're going to place the ball on the inside of that, and then all we're going to do is then lay down on the ground. Okay, so if this hip flexor that we're targeting is tight, you're going to notice some tenderness there, and all I want you to do is just let that ball sink into that area until that tenderness goes away. Could be anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. All right, team, so the second lacrosse ball release we're going to do after the hip flexor is going to be for that center quad, okay? Ties in with the hip flexor, and that's what leads directly into that patellar tendon that a lot of people have pain in, okay? So what we're going to do on our stomach again, we're going to be targeting just that center quad, like I said. We're going to place the ball right there, and then again, lay down on the stomach, find that tender point, and just let it sink into there. After about a couple minutes, when you start to feel it release, if you want to, what I recommend doing is to go through some flexion extension of that knee to help that muscle release further. And you can find a couple spots doing the same thing in the center quad. All right, team, so to finish this up, after the lacrosse ball releases, what we want to do is start to activate the muscle a little bit, okay? We're just going to be doing a squat, but it's a very specific type of squat, okay? So you're going to find something that you can sit down on. We're going to place our feet a little bit away from it in our squat stance, and what we're going to be doing is an eccentric squat. So what that is a very slow lower down until we hit that target that we're going towards, and then you can come up faster. So again, very slow, control the motion, reach the butt back, and then we can stand up. For that exercise, try that out 2 sets of 8, really slow on the way down. All right, team, so I hope you guys like those releases. Go and try those out if you're noticing any, like I said, that front knee pain right over that kneecap where that patellar tendon is. If you guys have any other conditions that you guys want me to go over, feel free to message me on Instagram and just let me know. I'd be happy to go over any things that you guys are feeling in and out of the gym.